From cutting-edge technology to jaw-dropping architecture, this upcoming megacity has it all. Saudi Arabia's most ambitious megaproject, The Line, has officially begun construction work. Brace yourself for a glimpse into the future. Absurd Saudi Arabia Skyscraper Megacity is coming soon. The Line is a controversial mirrored linear megacity that will be 170 kilometers long and will house 9 million people. A recent video that surfaced on social media shows numerous excavators digging a wide linear trench in the vast desert in the northwest of the Arab nation, where the city will be built. The line will be 170 kilometers long, and according to previously released renderings, it will be 170 kilometers long, 500 meters high, and 200 meters wide. Saudi Arabia is aiming for the stars with their latest skyscraper project, and it's not just about the height. Find out what's in store. The project was first announced in 2017 and has consistently raised eyebrows for its proposed flourishes, such as flying taxis and robot maids. Architects and economists have questioned its feasibility, but work on this futuristic megacity is now underway. The city will be taller than the Empire State Building and will house 9 million people. The line will run entirely on renewable energy with the help of artificial intelligence, and will have no roads, cars, or carbon emissions, making it a fully sustainable city. Drone footage of a portion of the massive site shows the initial stages of the city's construction, with hundreds of trucks and machines working in the middle of the desert to prepare the site. According to previously released renderings, the line will be 170 kilometers long, 500 meters high, and 200 meters wide. The city will run entirely on renewable energy with the help of artificial intelligence, and will have no roads, cars, or carbon emissions, making it a fully sustainable city. This excavation could just be preparatory work for the underground high-speed transport system that is planned to be built beneath the length of the city. Since the trench seen in the drone footage is much smaller than the suggested size, it could just be that the actual size of the line would be 3 times the size of this trench. Witness the sheer engineering marvel of the newest addition to Saudi Arabia's breathtaking skyline. The line will be organized in 3 dimensions of movement, up, down, or across, which is a concept known as zero-gravity urbanism. The city will have a subterranean transportation spine for ultra-high-speed transit, a lower surface layer with parks and open spaces, and a pedestrian layer with plenty of parks and open spaces. All daily services would be accessible by foot within 5 minutes of each line node, while high-speed transit trips between nodes would only take 20 minutes. The line is arguably the most dramatic project in the world of architecture and construction at the moment. However, despite the flashy announcement made by Saudi Prince Mohammed bin Salman, many design experts believe that the technology for such a city does not yet exist. This excavation could just be preparatory work for the underground high-speed transport system that is planned to be built beneath the length of the city, as the trenches seen in the drone footage is much smaller than the suggested measurements. Despite the flashy announcement made by Saudi Prince Mohammed bin Salman, many design experts believe that the technology for such a city still needs to be created. However, the line's 3 layers could help create a fully sustainable city, as it is planned to be fully powered by renewable energy, have no cars or carbon emissions, and be designed to reduce human impact on the environment. While the project is ambitious and faces many challenges, there is reason to believe that this excavation could just be preparatory work for the underground high-speed transport system that is planned to be built beneath the length of the city. The trench seen in the drone footage is much smaller than 200 meters, that are roughly the size of 2 American football fields, which is the size the trench is suggested to be. The actual size of the line would ideally be 3 times the size of this trench. The line is an ambitious project that has generated both excitement and skepticism among design experts. With its fully sustainable approach and unique design, the line is poised to revolutionize the concept of urban living. With construction now underway, the world will be watching to see whether this project can successfully be completed and whether it will live up to its ambitious goals.